Good morning, students. Computer network. So, error detection and correction. Next one is here. Hamming distance. One of the central concept in coding for error control is the Hamming distance. The Hamming distance between two words of same size is the number of difference between the corresponding bits. The Hamming distance between two words x and y can be represented as a d of x comma y, distance d of x comma y, that is the pair, the coordinates x and y coordinates. The Hamming distance can be easily found if we apply the XOR operations. So that is a operation, XOR operation, exclusive OR operation on two words and count the number of ones in the result. The Hamming distance is a value which is greater than 0. Okay. Now let us see one example. Here this is the x coordinate and y coordinates. We have to find the Hamming distance. Okay. Now, so 0, 0, 0, XOR 0, 1, 1. You know the XOR operation. If both values are same, then 0. Both values are different, then it is 1. Right? Therefore, 0, 0. The value is the same. Then the result is the 0. 0, 1. The values are different. Therefore, the result is 1. Then 0, 1. The values are different, and hence the result is 1. Therefore, here how many ones are there? 2 ones are there. Therefore, the Hamming distance is here 2. Then let me see another example. The Hamming distance of x, y. Here x is here 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, and y is here 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Here the Hamming distance is here 3. How it is 3 means 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, XOR 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Now 1, 1, the same, therefore 0. 0, 1, different, therefore 1. In 1, 1, same, therefore 0. Then 0, 1, different, 0, 1, different, therefore 1. Then 1, 0, so different, 1. Therefore, how many ones? 1, 2, 3. Therefore, 3 ones are there. Hence, the Hamming distance is here 3. What is the minimum Hamming distance? Okay. The minimum Hamming distance is the smallest Hamming distance between all possible pairs in a set of words. A set of words are given, then we have to find the Hamming distance and then take the smallest one. Find the minimum Hamming distance of the coding. Okay, so here D 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. So the Hamming distance for this one is 0, 0 is here 0, then 0, 1 is here 1, 0, 1 is here 1, therefore 2. Similarly, here 0, 1 is here 0, 0, 0 is here, so 0, 1 is here 1, 0, 0 is here 0, 0, 1 is here 1, therefore Hamming distance is here 2. Similarly, for this Hamming distance is 2, and for this Hamming distance is 2. For this value, the Hamming distance is 2. For this value, the Hamming distance is 2. So all are 2. Hence, the minimum distance is 2. Then another example, find the minimum Hamming distance of the coding. Okay, so for this 3, for this coordinates 3, so this one is a 4, and this one is a 4, this one is a 3, and this one is a 3. Okay, therefore the minimum between 3 and 4 is a 3. So how the Hamming distance and errors are connected? Okay, when a code word is corrupted during transmission, the Hamming distance between the sent and the received code word is the number of bits affected by the error. That is, in other words, we say the Hamming distance between the received code word and the sent code word is the number of bits that are corrupted during the transmission. Okay. For example, we take this one. So what is that? Hamming distance is a 3. Therefore, the received one is a 3 bits or in error, and the Hamming distance between these two is a 3. So to guarantee the detection of up to S errors in all the cases, the minimum Hamming distance in a block code must be S plus 1. That is, if small s error occurs during the transmission, then the Hamming distance between the sent code word and the received code word is a S. If our code is detected up to S error, the minimum distance between the valid code word must be S plus 1, so that the received code word does not match a valid code word. So this is the geometric concept of finding the minimum Hamming distance in error detection. Okay. The radius is the xy coordinates. Then the minimum Hamming distance should be greater than S. So this is the valid code word, and these are the corrupted code word with 0 to S errors. This is for error detection. Then minimum distance for error correction. So error correction is more complex than error decision. When a received code word is not a valid code word, the receiver need to decide which valid code word was actually sent. The decision is based on the concept of territory and exclusive area surrounding the code word, and each valid code word has its own territory. Let me see one example here. The geometric concept of finding d-min in error correction. So this is the territory X and territory Y. So this is radius t. Then for X and Y coordinate. Therefore, the minimum Hamming distance is greater than 2t. So these are the corrupted code words with 1 to t errors. So here the d-min is greater than 2t. Since the next integer increment is 1, we can say that d-min is a 2t plus 1. So to guarantee correction of up to t errors in all the cases, the minimum Hamming distance in a block code must be 2t plus 1. That is d-min equal to 2t plus 1.